Oh, that's awesome. I love to hear that. Um, Alejandro,
Hey, what's up, Zach?
what's up, bro? How are you?
Good, how are you?
Blessed, man. Every day above ground's an amazing day.
Great. I just started like 2 weeks ago actually. I started watching your stuff. I'm in the Flip with Rick course. I
Awesome.
watch I watch like countless videos all the time, but yeah, I'm just on my way to get my first deal.
Ooh, all right. Let me know, man. What market are you in?
I'm from Chino, California, the Inland Empire, so probably like an hour away from LA.
All right. So you're the Inland Empire right now.
Yeah, yeah.
Is that San Bernardino or Riverside?
Yeah, it's like San Bernardino County.
Okay. Um, it's a harder market, but it's not a terrible market. I
Yeah.
get it. It's competitive. So, what's your plan? Like, what are you doing for marketing? How are you trying to get the sellers?
Well,
What's
right
going on?
now, right now, I watched that one video that you said how to get a deal in 2 weeks. So I've been driving for dollars. I've been,
Boom.
you know, doing the voice memo. I've been organizing the data on Excel, and then I think the only thing I was struggling with is getting the code enforcement list or the water shut off list. Like the lady, she was like fighting for me for it. She was like, "Oh, it's private information." I was like, "Oh no, like." I thought it's like public information. I was trying to go around that. I think she maybe might have thought that I was asking for like the people's names, but no, it's like just the addresses, right? Or like, or how do you get it?
Obviously, we want the names too. That doesn't hurt.
Yeah,
We want the addresses. Honestly, again, Alejandro, you can go with the kid approach. You're a student in research. You're young enough, like me. You can.
yeah,
Water shut's gonna be harder because I don't even know if they're shutting down water in California.
yeah,
That's number one. Code violations in Inland Empire are legit.
yeah,
Um, do it by city though too.
yeah,
So let me just pull up a map for you because I know some places are really good. Ontario's really good.
mm,
I would drive for dollars in Ontario,
yeah.
Hemet, Corona. Let me pull up the map. Let's see, because I've
I
worked
did.
with wholesalers over there that I know where there are some good deals.
Yeah, I
Um,
went. I did that list source method that you did, where you go on list source,
yeah.
and I know Victorville has like a lot of cash transactions
All right.
this past year, and Yucca Valley too. I mean, it's a little distance from me, but I was thinking about maybe driving for dollars over there since there's a lot more like cash sales, and it's like cheaper over there too compared to Chino, Ontario, and Ontario.
Awesome. Yeah, and then also you can always do it. Um, honestly, man, like there's so many wholesalers there. Where another advantage you can also do is focus on building cash buyers too, and then
Yeah,
just JV with people in the Inland Empire that can't sell their deal, and one cash buyer will pop.
yeah,
That's another thing you can do because a lot of people don't know the secrets of just like, bro, if you go to SoCal Facebook group and just pull emails, there's so many cash buyers you can get. And a
yeah,
lot of people are not good at pulling cash buyers because they buy a course and they don't really talk about anything really too much. So that's another advantage you've got too.
yeah, yeah.
Um,
And then understanding like the contracts and like like the EMD. I just get a little confused with that, like between the inspection period and like
let's
how
talk
long.
about it, man. What are your exact questions for it?
So like when you're doing a contract, I don't know. Some people say do the inspection period for 10 days, for 30 days, and then how long do you want the contract for? So my question is like, what's a good like inspection period? I think on one of your videos says 30 days, and then
Yeah.
like the closing, like how long would you want the closing to be to after that?
Okay. So again, I did a video yesterday, and on the course, it's a pretty good video. But let's talk about it a little more because I don't think I went really into detail. So
Yeah,
I Rick prefers 30 days. I prefer 45 days.
yeah,
I'd rather have more time. I'm just
yeah,
just going to be honest. $100 earnest money deposit. I guarantee there's if you get a deal, someone's going to try to steal your deal because they're going to cold call your sellers. And be like, oh, we already have a contract. Oh, but who is it? Oh, he's terrible. He won't even know you. He's terrible. Get out of the contract. Oh, I'm getting out of the contract. Then you're like, oh shoot. So $100 earnest money deposit, 45-day inspection period. Get it under contract. Bring it to the title company. Have you found a title company yet?
yeah. I found this one large corporate one, but I know I watched one of Rick's videos and he says that he prefers like mom and pop.
They're
Um,
better,
Mom and
It's
pop
easy for you. You're
title
in a
company.
competitive market. So
Yeah,
all you got to do is just find what other wholesalers are using for title companies.
yeah,
You'll find it in like 5 seconds. It's
yeah.
really easy.
That one I found they require $500 EMD though, and so
Okay, maybe.
I was maybe
Have they
looking
done
up for that.
wholesalers?
Yeah, she says yeah, and then she said that or like the lady in the she said that we can't our assignment fee can be no more than 20% of the total price that we would.
Okay. Next.
Yeah,
Next.
yeah.
Next.
Yeah, just
Um,
find a different one.
so
Yeah,
do me a favor, man. Do you have Facebook?
yeah.
Go to Southern California wholesalers, whatever. I don't know what the groups, whatever, California wholesaling.
Yeah,
I want you to message as many people. You can do 50 a day
yeah,
in Riverside, San Bernardino, because this is what's going to happen. You're going to message 40.
yeah,
Hey, bro, I'm having a problem finding a good title company for wholesaling. What title company do you use? Question mark. Copy paste. Okay.
yeah,
35 of them are going to say, screw you. You're going to steal my good title company. But 5 are going to feel good that day.
yeah,
They got a good deal. They're feeling happy, right?
yeah,
Oh, man, I use Lucky Star Title in whatever city in Corona, California. All right. Guys,
yeah.
there's a city in California called Corona. I'm not talking about viruses, but 5 of them are going to come and just tell you it. And that's going to help you out a lot.
Yeah,
That's a big thing I could tell you also. Also, I consider this. Ask the title companies if they have a list of the cash sales that they deal with or cash
yeah,
buyers. And they're going to say, Alejandro, no way. That's private information.
yeah,
Well, what I'm going to do is pull cash sales. I just want to know that use you. I want to know the ones that use your title company, so you can get paid on it also. I
yeah,
only want to use cash buyers that deal with you already, so it's a really comfortable transaction.
yeah,
Most of them are going to say no, but guess what? If they say yes, it's amazing, right?
yeah,
So just another tip I give to you in competitive markets. It's all about the slight edge.
yeah.
I would do that. Yeah, drawing for dollars probably be the best one. Code violations, I know we're actually working over there too, so I would still be doing them.
So if I have like a little bit of money too, like maybe like $1,000 to spare on marketing, like what would you recommend, using on like
Um, man, I would tell you right now, cold calling. I would do it in the cold calling, code violations, probates, pre-probates. Um, I wouldn't be. There's no point. Like I'm just going to be honest. You need to gain your skill set.
yeah,
Talking to sellers,
yeah.
like it's just
That's what I was thinking too. Yeah,
that's not the truth. Why are you going to buy a race car if you don't even know how to drive a manual like transmission? Like, what's the point? But
yeah,
let's learn that first. So, I think I think cold calling, in my opinion, it will help you out talking to just people in general even more.
yeah, yeah,
Uh, it will just gain so many skills. Like you might not even get a deal in like a week or two doing it, or even
mhm,
a lead, but the
yeah,
skill set of you actually dealing with people, say, ring, ring, ring. Who is this? What do you want? And knowing like how to actually skirt through that. Oh, hey, this is Alejandro. I just had a quick question. Is that okay? Like knowing just how to get in all these situations. Once you go on an appointment and you get in a
yeah,
tough spot, you're going to know exactly what to do. So I would put that into cold calling. Maybe invest in like a triple line dialer.
yeah,
Now, but I'd rather you actually do some cold calling before you actually do that.
yeah.
But you can throw money into it. I just don't think it's going to be well spent unless you have the skill set ready for it.
Yeah. Like get that practice in before.
Yeah, man. That's what I can say.
Yeah. All right. Yeah, I think. Yeah, and then that one question too, like, how long do you typically close till? Like, how many amount of days? Like
I
after.
prefer, yeah, man. I have good cash buyers, so I'm like a month. I like to leave 2 months. I tell the seller 2 months, and
Yeah.
I also tell them this with the virus. I'm not going to say the word, so the algorithm doesn't get messed up on it. But hey, you never know. I sometimes say, God has different plans for us than we have for ourselves.
Yeah.
So, forbid this from happening. I don't want this to happen, but what if, unfortunately, someone gets COVID or something, or a family member of yours gets COVID, which won't happen. But
Yeah.
what
Yeah.
if, like, they're in the hospital and you can't close? Let's just do 3 to 4 months just to be safe, on or before. And that's what I do. So on or before, December 31st, we'll do it before, just in case, and then you're good to go.
So 45 days for inspection period and 3 or 4 months.
Yes,
Closing.
I say, and they're like, Alejandro, why don't you just do a 1 day inspection period? I reply back. This is recorded, by the way, for you
Yeah.
on YouTube. But hey, I don't know what's going to happen in 45 days. Let's say someone accidentally just drives their car into the house. I've seen it. Like, I've actually seen it happen where a car, not in one of my deals, a car's driven into someone's house.
Yeah.
Hey, that means I'd have to close on that property, which is the value's down. You'll get your insurance money, but then I'm gonna have to close that. It's not going to be. I need to inspect it before we do the closing. Also,
Yeah.
it's a great excuse, but it's also true. What if a tornado runs through it? I don't think inland's got tornado issues, but I say hurricane. Whatever excuse to get that longer inspection period, and that gives you more time to actually go out there and find a buyer.
Yeah. Okay.
Just remember, man, in your competitive market, you have disadvantages, but you also have advantages.
Yeah.
Your disadvantages is it's harder to get a deal. Your advantage is once you get a deal, it's a piece of cake to find a buyer.
Yeah.
And you probably get really good margins. So you can be in Central Ohio where it's easier to get a deal, but you're not going to get a $30,000 deal. You'll get a $30,000 deal here. I would cold call code violations. That's the first thing I would do.
Yeah.
It seems like they've been fighting you. Oh, that's private information. Mrs. or Madam, whatever their name is, say their first name if they prefer it. Do you need me to file a Freedom of Information Act? I'm a private tax-paying citizen doing my own independent research.
Yeah.
I know others that are privy to this information. It's public. I'm a tax-paying citizen. Is there any way I can get help on this? Do you want me to meet in person and kind of explain what I'm trying to find? That's it.
Yeah. Yeah, she was kind of fighting for me, and then I got a little discouraged, but then I was like, I'm probably just going to call again. Like,
oh, remember, let's say there's 10 wholesalers trying to get that list. 9 of them just got discouraged doing that. You're going to be the one person that goes in and just keeps fighting it, and they're like, fine, here. But guess what? The other 8 that can't get it.
Yeah.
You just got a list like that, right?
Yeah.
When a county tells me I can't get a list, I get excited.
Yeah.
Just think about that.
Just keep fighting. Just like,
bro, you have an advantage on your age that if you're like a 54-year-old man trying to get it, they're going to be like, you're trying to sell this information or whatever. You're just a kid doing your own research, right?
Yeah, that's true. I didn't think about using that angle.
Because guess what? Every 50-year-old person trying to get that list. Hey, I love my 50-year-olds watching. Trust me. I love it. But you have an advantage over them because they're going to overlook your age and just think you're just trying to just get the information. Like, you're not going to use it for anything.
Yeah, I know you mentioned too, like if they keep fighting you over the phone, you're going to have to walk in there and,
Walk in, man. With a mask, obviously, just so they're like, because I don't get political with it, but like if they are wearing masks and they're like, they'll get the wrong impression from you.
Yeah.
And maybe they don't like people who don't wear masks, and then they're going to get a wrong first impression and be angry at you. So just make sure you're all safe with everything with this so they feel comfortable with you. And just don't act professional when you're going to meet. Just, hey, I'm Alejandro. I just want the list, like keep it straight up. Don't look like a salesperson or like some slick talker, and you'll do well.
All right. Well, I don't want to hold you on for too long so other people get their questions.
I can go forever, man.
I appreciate it.
We'll do a 10-hour live today. I don't care.
I appreciate all the help, Zach. I mean, I love what you and your dad do. Great.
Appreciate it, man. I'll see you next week, hopefully.
All right,
see where you're going. Let me know. How many drawing for dollars leads are you getting? Did you get last weekend?
I got about 100. I did like 25 a day. But,
boom, keep it up. And cold calling. What's your script you're using right now for calling them?
Well, I'm working with this one guy I met on Craigslist. Like, he said he would walk me through a deal, and he gave me a script, but I was gonna watch one of your script videos today. Yeah.
Are you paying this guy?
Well, he says he was gonna. No, I'm not paying him. He says that that we'll do like a JV. Like, it'll be 90-10 split for the first 3 deals, and then after the 3 deals, he'll do like a 50-50 JV. But he said he'll walk me through the deal.
Who's getting the 90?
Huh? He's getting
the 90.
Yeah.
How about we don't do that? And how about you just go on the live with me and talk to me, and we'll do a 100-0 split. Okay?
All right. Yeah.
Bro, come on.
Yeah.
Dude, I'll find you a cash buyer. I'll fight in 5 seconds.
Yeah.
Dude, all you have to do, honestly, first of all, you're going through the course. You're talking to me here. I'll talk to you every week.
Yeah.
All you literally have to do is just go on the Southern California real estate investor, whatever. Hey, I have a deal at this address. ? Please hit me up for more information. It's a great deal.
Yeah.
You get emailed, you wholesale it, you're good.
Okay.
Bro, what? If you have a $30,000 deal, why are you going to give that guy 27 and you get 3?
Yeah.
Who did the work?
Yeah. No, yeah.
Who's out there driving for the list?
Yeah.
Who's out here doing the work? You. I will help, bro. I'll help you. There, let me go in the comments. Guys, if you're an Inland Empire, is anyone here willing to do a 50-50 split with this kid for a cash buyer? Like, there's so many. I know there's so many like people in here in this group that will help you out. Bro, that's ridiculous.
Yeah,
I'm just being honest, man. Like, I'm not mad at you. He's trying to take advantage, or she's trying to take advantage of you. Don't be doing it.
Okay.
Okay. Right. There's plenty of people. So what's your Facebook for someone to hit you up?
Alejandro Andas.
All right.
My full name,
bro. Here. Go to members in the group. Go check them out.
Yeah.
Seriously, if you're an Inland Empire, do it. And if anybody, just generally watching this, if anyone approaches you for a 90-10 split, tell them that Zach Ginn will do a 100-0 split. Beat that. That guy's not doing anything. Bro, I'll help you. Literally, you get a contract, dude. Hop on here and just say, I got a contract. I'll find a buyer. I'll go live and just find a buyer for you. I promise you.
Yeah.
Okay, dude? Please do not do this.
Okay, all right. Yeah. I got you. I mean, yeah.
Okay?
All right, thank
Jesus
you.
Christ. All right. I'm glad you came on here. Hopefully I saved you some money because you seem like a hard worker.
Yeah, thank you, Zach. I appreciate it. I appreciate all the help.
All right. I appreciate it, Alejandro. Hit me up. Expect to see you hopefully get a contract and keep it up and start cold calling. So last one is, what script are you using for cold calling these driving for dollars leads? I don't mean to waste your time.
It was just this one, this one script that he gave me. I mean, I just say, hello, are you interested in, selling your property? And
is that how you open it?
Huh?
Is that how you open it?
Yeah.
All right. Yeah. I'm just gonna be honest with you, man. You just ask 2 questions. This is way better. Hey, you're interested in selling your property? Bleep, you sound like a telemarketer.
Yeah.
Okay. Guess what? Hey, is this Alejandro? Yes. Hey, Alejandro, I just had a quick question. Is this a good time to talk? Yes. Now you're piquing their interest. You sound normal. Are you interested in selling 123 Main Street? Yes or no? They're just going to just brush you off as a telemarketer or like a robot or a VA because these auto warranty call people are ridiculous. So just, hey, is this the owner? Yes or no? Then they're like, how do they know my address? And then you ask them from there.
Okay.
Okay. Right. Do that. All right. Appreciate it.
Thank you, Zach. I appreciate it. I'll be on next week.
All right. See you, man. $90-10. What? Oh my God. These gurus, I swear, they will not stop. I don't know what else I can do. I go live I go live 4 days a week. I do a video every single day on 2 YouTube channels, do a free course. I'm about to announce something crazy tomorrow, and these gurus still have the audacity to try 90-10 split. 100-0 split with me. Let's go. Beat that. When I say I'm trying to take these gurus, like, oh my God, like when I say I'm trying to keep these gurus out of business, I mean every single one of them. Every single one. 90-10. Come on. Is this the new tactic because they can't get any course money because I did a free wholesaling course at freewholesaling.com? Is this your new tactic? Go after 90-10 for these people? This is ridiculous. They're going after younger, newer people. This is like, go to freewholesaling.com, show you it. It just, someone is selling a course. It's crazy. Oh my gosh. Bro. My God. Thank you so much for watching this video today. Consider liking this video. It helps the YouTube algorithm so my videos can get shown to more people so I can help my mission on this channel to help you make over $100,000 in real estate wholesaling absolutely for free. If you're getting any value out of this whole channel or from the clip today, please consider subscribing to the channel. It means so much to me. Have a blessed day.